What if I told you that in 2026, you can make your first $100 online using AI, even if you have zero experience, zero followers, and no money to invest? And no, I'm not talking about some fake get-rich-overnight method. I'm talking about real, beginner-friendly ways people are using AI tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut to start making money online from home. In this video, I'll show you the easiest AI methods beginners can start today, which tools to use, how to get clients or customers, and a realistic step-by-step plan to make your first $100 online. So if you've been wondering how to start making money with AI in 2026, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Why AI is the biggest opportunity right now. Before we jump into the methods, you need to understand something important. AI has completely changed the internet. A few years ago, you needed expensive software, years of experience, or a big audience to make money online. Now, AI can help you write content, design graphics, edit videos, generate ideas, create digital products, and even automate work for clients. That means beginners now have access to skills that used to take years to learn. And here's the best part. Most people still aren't using AI properly. Businesses, creators, and small brands are constantly looking for people who can help them create content faster. That creates opportunity. And your first goal shouldn't be making $10,000. Your first goal should be making your first $100. Because once you make your first $100 online, your mindset changes completely. You stop asking, "Is this real?" and start asking, "How do I scale this?" Method number 1, AI content creation services. The easiest way to make your first $100 online with AI is by offering simple content creation services. And honestly, this is probably the fastest method for beginners. Here's why. Businesses need content every single day. Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, YouTube descriptions, blog posts, product descriptions, emails, social media posts. But many business owners either don't have time, don't know how, or don't want to do it themselves. That's where you come in. You can use AI tools to create content quickly and sell it as a service. Step 1. Use ChatGPT for content. Go to ChatGPT and ask it things like, write 10 Instagram captions for a fitness brand, or create a short TikTok script promoting a skincare product. Within seconds, you have content ready to deliver. Step 2. Make it look professional. Use Canva to turn the content into social media graphics. Canva already has templates, so you don't need to be a designer. Step 3. Find clients. Now you need people to pay you. The easiest places to start are Facebook business groups, small business Instagram pages, local businesses, freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Here's a simple message you can send. Hey, I noticed your page could use more consistent content. I create AI-assisted social media posts for businesses. I'd love to help you create content faster and more consistently. Simple, no complicated sales pitch. Now imagine charging $20 for 10 captions, $30 for a content pack, $50 for weekly content. You only need a few clients to hit your first $100. And once you get results, referrals start happening naturally. Method number 2, faceless AI videos. Another powerful method in 2026 is creating faceless AI videos. This is huge right now. You've probably seen channels posting motivational videos, AI facts, finance clips, story videos, tech content, celebrity news, productivity tips, and many of them are using AI for almost everything. Here's the process. Step 1. Generate scripts. Use ChatGPT to create short video scripts. Example, write a 60-second motivational YouTube short script. Step 2. Create voiceovers. Use AI voice tools like 11 Labs, Play, HT. These tools generate realistic voices. Step 3. Edit videos. Use CapCut to combine stock videos, AI voiceovers, captions, music. And now you have content. You can make money from this in 2 ways. Option 1. Start your own channel. Post consistently and grow an audience, then monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products. Option 2. Sell the service. Many creators need short-form content but don't want to edit videos themselves. You can charge $10 per short video, $50 for 5 videos, $100 plus for monthly packages. Again, your first $100 becomes realistic very quickly. Method number 3, selling AI digital products. This method is my favorite because you create something once and sell it multiple times. These are digital products. Examples include prompt packs, ebooks, content calendars, resume templates, Notion templates, AI business guides, social media templates, and AI makes creating these way easier. Example, creating a prompt pack. Let's say you create 50 ChatGPT prompts for small businesses. You can use ChatGPT to help generate the prompts, then design the PDF using Canva and sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, your own website. Even if you sell it for just $10, you only need 10 sales to make your first $100. And unlike freelancing, digital products can continue selling while you sleep. That's the power of digital income. Another easy product idea: social media templates. Businesses always need Instagram templates, quote templates, carousel designs. You can create packs in Canva and sell them repeatedly. And because AI helps you brainstorm and create faster, you can produce products much quicker than before. The real secret nobody talks about. Now here's something important. Most people fail because they spend too much time learning and not enough time doing. They watch videos for months, save tutorials, take notes, but never actually post content, message clients, or sell anything. Your first $100 online is mostly about action, not perfection. Your first design won't be perfect. Your first video won't be perfect. Your first offer won't be perfect. And that's okay, because skills improve through repetition. The people making money with AI are not always the smartest people. They're usually the people who started early and stayed consistent. So instead of trying to master everything, pick one method, learn one tool, offer one service, and focus on getting one result. That's how momentum starts. A simple 7-day plan to make your first $100. Let me give you a realistic beginner plan. Day 1. Choose one AI method from this video. Day 2. Learn the basics of the tool. Watch tutorials and practice. Day 3. Create 3 sample pieces of work. Examples: social media posts, short videos, prompt packs. Day 4. Create a simple portfolio using Canva or Google Drive. Day 5. Reach out to at least 20 potential clients or post your service online. Day 6. Improve your offer based on feedback. Day 7. Close your first client or upload your first digital product. Will everyone make $100 in 7 days? No. But if you stay consistent, the chances become very high, especially in 2026, where AI demand keeps growing. The truth is, AI is creating opportunities that didn't exist a few years ago. And the people who learn these skills now will have a huge advantage in the future. So don't overcomplicate this. Your first $100 online could come from AI content creation, faceless videos, digital products, freelancing, or even a combination of all 3. The key is to start. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to AI Income Lab for more videos about making money with AI, online side hustles, faceless YouTube channels, AI tools, and digital income strategies. And comment below, what's the first AI method you want to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.